Hi everyone, want to spice up your chats with fun, flirty AI comparisons? Today I'll show you how to use spicy chats for most playful, personalized conversations ever. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to spicychat.ai, and you can download the app if in your mobile or it's available in Android or iOS. Then here you can create an account and log in using your email and connected account. No verification, no problem. It's fast and private. Then here you can choose your character. You can explore thousands of AI characters from cute and flirty to fantasy beyond. One charming vampire boyfriend or a cheeky personal trainer. You can pick your vibe. And also you can filter by genre like romance, flirty, and more. And then here you can start conversation. Tap a character and hit the chat and they'll respond in real time. And yes, it feels like they're texting your secret crush. Flirt, roleplay, joke around, the AI adapts your style. It's fun, saucy, and surprisingly deep. And if you want, you create your own flirty character, you can always create. Just click the create character and fill their names, personality, and backstory. Then boom, your dream partner is now a realish. Then your chats are private. You can delete the conversation anytime. You're totally in control. And that's how you can unlock the fun and flirty vibes with spicy chats. If you love this, give us a like and hit subscribe and comment your favorite characters down below. Thanks for watching.